Meaning of get.
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 Get. Get is a verb that can have many different meanings depending on the context. Generally, it means to obtain or acquire something or to become or arrive at a certain state or location. It can also mean to receive or understand information or to persuade or convince someone of something. When someone uses the word get, they may be asking for clarification or confirmation of something they heard or read. They may also be expressing a desire to obtain something or achieve a certain outcome. Overall, get is a versatile word that can be used in a variety of different ways.